Oh, Rob is going to use the other truck. He reckon that one have a little bit of dip there, might damage our travel lander. So he's going to use that one. It's a little bit deeper, the water, than the other side, but going in is there he goes. Oh, you see it's deeper on that side than on that one. Come on, you can do it. We are heavy because of our camper. Nice! And there he goes. And here's Gerard. Oh, he's just going to use this one. Look at the waves it's making. And it's up. Yay! So uuwi na si Milay at si Dime kasi they have other appointment. So umulan ng maghapon at magdamag. So medyo mataas ang tubig sa ilog. So, papanoorin namin siyang tumawid. Tingnan kung anong So, yeah, they are going home. We're going to stay here another day and a night.
That there, the steep one. Try that one, not the one, the other one. There you go. Tali pa yung sa taas.
It's okay. You see, malalim yung tubig kaysa nung isang araw pagpunta namin kasi maghapon magdamag umuulan.
Pang 20 liters na toilet?
Oo, yung katulad toilet natin. Kaya nilagay.
So, he'll be fine. Medyo mataas doon. No worries. Easy peasy. Good job. Off they go. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Long weekend is finished. So, we are on our way home. So, our leader, my little brother Marlo, is crossing the river now. Easy peasy. Good job. It's Ryan next. Well done. And here's Rob. Gerard is staying here for another night and a day. He doesn't like to be driving in the traffic because it's finished now, the long weekend. So a lot of people is going home from their getaway. That's a bit of power. Well done. So we are climbing up now from the river, climbing up the mountain.
Ryan, tanda lang. Okay, ano oras ka, Marlo?
What did he say?
Just go, just follow, just slowly.
Pick your lines kasi may mga rocks na malalaki dyan. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, great. I understand everything.
Ate Nini can translate.
No, she can't. She's busy filming.
It's a bit sharp here, honey, remember? Ryan is good. He just watch
Yeah.
really good and then just follow.
Yep.
So that's the way to go. Not so like, I know.
Oh, okay.
They're good boys.